The stock market is down big. Investors are worried. The good times might be over. What's going on? The Dow dropped sharply. The S&P 500 is also down. Tech stocks are getting crushed. It's a sea of red out there. Many people are blaming the return of old fears. Remember the trade wars? Those tariffs are back on the table. This uncertainty is causing panic. Nobody knows what will happen next. Is this the start of something bigger? Remember those Trump tariffs? They're back in the news. The mere mention of them is enough to send shivers down investors' spines. These tariffs were a big deal a few years ago. They slowed down global trade, they hurt businesses. They led to higher prices for consumers. Now there's talk of bringing them back. Why? It's complicated. But the bottom line is that it's bad news for the market. Tariffs create uncertainty. Businesses hate uncertainty. When businesses are uncertain, they don't invest. And when they don't invest, the economy suffers. Adding to the gloom and doom is the dreaded R word, recession. Whispers of a recession have been circulating for months. Now, those whispers are getting louder. A recession is a period of economic decline. It's bad news for everyone. Businesses lose money, people lose jobs, the stock market tanks. There are a lot of factors that could lead to a recession. Inflation is still a problem. Interest rates are rising, consumer spending is slowing down. Are we headed for a recession? It's too early to say for sure, but the possibility is definitely weighing on investors' minds. So what are investors doing in response to all this bad news? They're heading for the exits, and they're looking for safer places to park their money. Tech stocks, once the darlings of Wall Street, are being dumped. Investors are fleeing to more stable, defensive assets. Think consumer staples, think healthcare, think utilities. These are the companies that sell the things we need, even in tough times. The market is volatile right now. It's anyone's guess where it will go next. But one thing is for sure. Investors are battening down the hatches and bracing for a bumpy ride.